Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Yema Cashew bars recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 3 pieces eggs, 1 can condensed milk. This is Bravo condensed milk. Then 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. And last, we need 1/2 cup cashew nuts. In your bowl, mix natin si butter. Kailangan soften na si butter ha. Yan. Dapat ganito na siya ka-smooth. Butter and the condensed milk. Once smooth na, let's add the eggs. After the egg, sunod natin si flour. Yan, simple lang yung ingredient na to. Then, prepare your 8-inch square pan lined with aluminum foil. Transfer here. Then, top natin si cashew nuts. Damihan natin si cashew kasi yung iba, bababa yan while baking. Then, let's bake this one around 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's baked already. Pinalamig ko na rin. Cut na natin. Transfer na natin here. There you go, our Yema Cashew Bars recipe. Again, for the ingredients, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!